Hey guys, it's RC Fan back in the house again today. Today, we have the fireworks! Finally, we have fireworks, guys. So, here we go. I'm going to start us off with the fireworks now. First, we have Roman Candles by Brothers Fireworks. Brothers Fireworks. As you can see there. Brothers Fireworks. These are called bamboos. Now, they shoot flaming balls with reports, and you're supposed to stick these in the ground or soil or sand or whatever. These are not the holdable ones, but I got these for $5. My bucks. Pretty good deal for $4. Not bad. 5 for $4. 4 Roman candles, and the performance is bang up the bamboos with alternating red and blue stars with reports. Sounds awesome. So there's those. 3 whistling moon travelers. Got a whole pack of 144. Now they're little bags of bottle rockets. So got 144 pieces of those. I already shot off a bag last night. Because there's just so many. So yeah, there's those. They go. So when the bottle rocket goes off, it goes pop, and they're loud. They're pretty loud. So also in this bag we have a brick of firecrackers from Winda Fireworks. It's a little panda, Chinese fireworks. And I did a brick of these last night. They're basically a little 16-ounce pack. Let's grab a bunch of them. So they're kind of, just a little firecrackers. Got some more firecrackers. And I will maybe be blowing up some stuff. I'm not sure, but so we have a bunch of little firecrackers. They have bigger bricks of these, so yeah, there's firecrackers. We got a whole brick of those, man. Flash pack. What? Ooh, they got some different ones. Flash Cracker, 40 pack. I don't think this was supposed to be in this pack. The red pack, I don't think that was supposed to be in there. Oh, well then. A different firecracker. Hey guys, I'm always gonna do reviews of these, so you guys can see these fireworks. So here's those. Next we have 2-color spaceships. Now, what these do, I got these for $9. How much did I get the firecrackers for? The firecrackers, I don't know how much they were, but they were pretty expensive. Winterly expensive. Firecrackers were a little bit expensive, but that's okay. It's the 4th. Celebrate. So we have a whole bunch of firecrackers. I might give some out to some people in the neighborhood. So yeah, we have a lot of firecrackers. I mean a lot. I mean like a whole brick. I mean, just look at this. Let's grab all these firecrackers. That's a lot of firecrackers. We already lit 1 pack off last night, and that's a lot. So, that's firecrackers. Set it over there. Now, going back to the 2-color spaceships. The 2-color spaceships, what these do is they do a really nice, they spin on the ground, and then they shoot up, and then both of these tubes pop out, and they do a really nice report. That's what I was been told at the fireworks stand. So yeah, Got these for $9 for six for $9, not a bad deal. Here I have these Power Pops. These are basically like firecrackers. They are loud. They're not the snappers. These are Big Daddy snappers, like big boy snappers. So I'll show a video of those. I don't want to take them out because there's sawdust in it. So this is a family favorite, Magic Crystals. What they do is, as you can see, they have a little spinny thing on it. So you place it on the ground and it spins, and it screeches. And it shoots up and then it explodes. So that's Magic Crystals, and we got, I think these were for $3 for 4, so pretty nice deal. Here we have the sunflowers. You get a dozen for $6. A dozen sunflowers for $1. So these are family favorites as well. I've seen these before. They're pretty nice. Do pretty nice reports. We have Utter Chaos by Black Cat Fireworks. These are pretty cool. What these do is they spin up and I think they like screech. I'm not sure, but I got 6 of them for $6. Awesome deal. Highly recommend these because they fly really, really high. So, yeah. So that's all for that bag. This one you can see, we have Black Cat Neon Rockets from Black Cat Fireworks. We got these, I think they were $2 per bag. So we got 2. For 6. 3 bags for $6. And these are pretty nice, pretty loud. Highly recommend buying those. We have a 200-gram cake of American Heroes, 9 shots, a repeater. What is the performance? Performance. A heroic display of crackling tails to white strobe. Pretty nice. And it's pretty heavy, too. So, there's American Heroes. And we got this for $5. Pretty nice deal for a 200-gram cake. Now we have some ground bloom flowers, and these were $1 for 6. Awesome deal. Highly recommend buying these because these are really cool, and they spin around. They make really loud, spark sounds. Frequent flyers. I think these are just like speedballs, but I don't know what they do, so we'll have to see what these are. These are going to be interesting. Saturn Missile Battery. 25 shots. It's like a 7-shot repeater, but each shot goes up and it has its own report. So 25 shots. Little missile battery. Next again we have one of those again. I think these were like $2 a pop. So good deal. Got 2 of them. Two right here. And I'll show a video for those. Then our grand finale is a 500-gram, I think it's a 500-gram cake with 36 shots of Bling Bling by Brothers Fireworks. 36 shots, and the performance is green bling bling with purple stars and red, blue, and white bling bling, red and green bayonets and time delay bling bling, and a 6-shot final of crackling bling bling. 36 shots, and this is pretty heavy. I think this is a 200-gram cake or 500-gram cake. I'm not sure, but if you guys know this cake, tell me how many grams it is down in the description. Oh, almost lost it there. Oh, guys, we have one more thing. And we have these crackling balls. They just crackle around. You light it and it just goes. So, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been RC Fan signing off. Wait, there's more. You guys want to see the whole arsenal? I mean, the whole fireworks display? Here, let me lay out all the stuff. Always wanted to get these fireworks before. Set those right there. Set that right there. There we go. Got firecrackers. Whole bunch of firecrackers. And for some weird reason, they gave me a yellow firecracker pack. Where is that? Where's the yellow pack? I don't know. I'll find that later. So this is our firework haul. It's pretty big. And it's going to take a while to light. Even though it looks small, but it's a lot. Especially with these. You got firecrackers. You've got whistling moonshowers. You got these. You got those. You got these, those. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been RC Fan, signing off. Love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye! And the 4th of July videos will be coming out tonight. So, check in for that. Bye!